Hello learners, this is Sunil Vishwakarma and today's topic is drop command in MySQL. Drop command in MySQL. Drop command in MySQL. Let's start with the drop table statement, or say drop command statement removes a table. Removes a table and its data permanently. If you want to remove your table along with table structure and data, you should use drop command. Okay, now drop command is also used to delete your database. Okay, in MySQL you can also remove multiple tables. Using a single drop table statement. Drop table statement, each table is separated by comma. हर मतलब जो सेपरेट किया जाएगा टेबल का नाम, वो कॉमा का यूज करते हुए, जैसे ये है. Let's start from syntax. First, how to delete a database. Database को कैसे delete करें? And the syntax is drop database followed by database name. Okay. Second, to delete table along with data, or say along with data as well as structure of table. Structure of table means its field name, data type and constraint also. And the syntax is drop table followed by table name. Here there is a minute difference in between drop database and drop table. See, if we want to delete database, then we should use database keyword, and if you want to delete table, then we should use table keyword. Otherwise drop same. If you want to delete database, use database then database name. If you want to delete table, then use table followed by table name. Let's do in a practical way. I'm going to open my SQL. I'm going to provide my password. Show databases. The use of show databases is it lists out existing databases. Show basis. Okay. Now I want to create a database because these are important for me. So I'm not going to delete it. For the this purpose, first I have to create new database, then I want to create a table. So let's create a database. Create database. Name is class 11th. One thing I must tell you, please do not provide any space in between database name, field name, your table name, your constraints. Please do not provide any type of space. Now I'm going to create a table inside this database. So for this, first thing I need to open it. So for open the database, I'm going to use command. Use class class 11th. Now I'm going to create first. Let's see the list of databases once again. Here there is no class 11th. So show database. Show database. See, class 11th. Create. use CLASS class 11th. It's a good practice to, if you switch in between any two commands, or say two different commands, always use command in order to get back in your database. Let's create another table. I'm going to create this one. Okay, this one, payment table. Let's do that. Create table, 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 payment. I'm going to introduce only two fields, loan number and UMBR number, and it's a int type, and size is 4, and it's a primary key, primary key. Then next is payment number, payment, and UMBR number, and it's a varchar 3, varchar 3. Last. This is my table. Now I want to create another table, that is payment 1, then payment number, this may be a subdata. Then I want to create another table, then it's payment 2. Let's show the tables. Show tables. See, in this database, tables in class 11th, this is your database name, and these are the tables. You know, this is a very simple English. Tables in class 11th. It means these are the number of tables already exist in class 11th database. Okay. Now, if I want to delete payment 1. Let's as per the syntax, my syntax is drop table payment 1. Let's check out once again. List of tables, show tables. See, already deleted. Now if I want to delete this one database, it also delete all the tables inside in it along with database. Let's do that. Drop database CLASS class 11th. Okay, let's check out. Show data basis. See, gone. Okay, so please, it's my humble request to, whenever you use this command, please use very carefully, because it delete all the things along with table, its structure. If you gonna delete database, it delete tables too. If you delete your database, it deletes your table too. So it's my humble request, please, in your future life, please use this command very carefully. Okay, bye students.